It's Thursday afternoon. Michael is planning a short trip to London this weekend. Before he travels, he calls the hotel to make a reservation. Let's listen and learn how to book a room in English.
Good afternoon, Royal Garden Hotel. How may I help you?
Hello, good afternoon. I'd like to make a reservation, please.
Of course, sir. May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's Michael Jackson.
Thank you, Mr. Jackson. When would you like to check in?
Next Friday, please. I'll stay for 3 nights.
All right, checking in on Friday and checking out on Monday. Would you like me to tell you about the types of rooms we have?
Yes, please. I'm not sure which type to choose. Could you explain the differences?
Of course. We have 6 main types of rooms available. Single room for 1 person, with a single bed and a street view. Twin room for 2 people, with 2 separate single beds, usually city or courtyard view. Double room, 1 large double bed for 2 guests, often with a nice city view. King room, a bigger room with a king-size bed and a partial park view. Deluxe room, larger and more comfortable, with a sofa, minibar and a full city skyline view. Studio room, our most spacious option. Like a small apartment, it includes a kitchenette and a lounge area.
I see. And which one has the best view?
Definitely the deluxe room. It has big windows with a beautiful city skyline view, especially at night.
That sounds perfect. I'll take a deluxe room, please.
Excellent choice, sir. Would you like a non-smoking room?
Yes, non-smoking, please.
Got it. May I have your credit card number to confirm the booking?
Sure, it's 492-03311648977734.
Thank you, Mr. Jackson. Your reservation is confirmed for a deluxe room. Check in on Friday, check out on Monday. Would you like an airport pickup service?
Yes, please. My flight arrives at Heathrow around noon.
Perfect. We'll send a driver to meet you at the arrivals gate with a sign that says, Royal Garden Hotel, Michael Jackson.
That's great. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome, Mr. Jackson. We look forward to seeing you on Friday.
See you then. Goodbye.
Goodbye, sir. Have a lovely day.
Useful phrases. I'd like to make a reservation. Could you explain the differences between the rooms? I'll take a deluxe room, please. Would you like an airport pickup service? These phrases are perfect for polite and professional hotel conversations. The next day, Michael arrives at the Royal Garden Hotel. Let's see how he checks in and talks to the receptionist politely.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to the Royal Garden Hotel. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. I have a reservation under the name Michael Jackson.
Of course, Mr. Jackson. Let me check. Yes, a deluxe room with a city view for 3 nights. May I have your passport, please?
Sure, here you are.
Thank you. And could I have your credit card for the deposit?
Of course, here it is.
Thank you. Everything looks good. Your room number is 405 on the 4th floor. Here's your keycard and the Wi-Fi password is written on the holder.
Thank you. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 in the morning in the first floor restaurant.
Okay, perfect. Could I have a wake-up call tomorrow at 7:30?
Certainly. Would you like some help with your luggage?
Yes, please. It's quite heavy.
No problem. Tom, please take Mr. Jackson's luggage to room 405.
Right away, sir. Please, follow me.
Thank you very much.
When checking in, remember these phrases. I have a reservation under the name. Could I have a wake-up call, please? What time is breakfast? They make your conversation polite and natural. Now, Michael is in his room. Let's see how to ask hotel staff for help if something doesn't work.
Here we are, sir. Room 405. This is your key card. To turn on the lights, please insert it here.
Ah, I see. That's clever. Thank you.
The air conditioner is here, and the remote for the TV is on the table. If you need anything, just dial 0 for reception.
Got it. Thanks a lot.
Would you like me to show you how to use the safe?
No, that's fine. I can manage. Thank you.
All right. Enjoy your stay, sir.
Thank you. Here's a small tip for you.
Oh, thank you very much, sir. Have a nice evening.
Notice how Michael uses polite expressions. That's fine. I can manage. Thank you. Here's a small tip for you. Being polite always leaves a good impression.
Hello, reception? This is Michael Jackson in room 405. I think the TV remote isn't working.
I'm sorry about that, sir. I'll send someone to bring you a new one right away.
Thank you so much.
Good evening, sir. Here's a new remote for your TV.
Thank you. That was quick.
My pleasure, sir. Have a nice night.
When something doesn't work, don't worry. Just call reception and say, "This is room 405. The TV remote isn't working." Simple, clear, and polite. The next evening, Michael decides to try the hotel restaurant. Let's learn some dining phrases together.
Good evening, sir. Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't. Is there a table available?
Yes, of course. Please come this way. Would you like to sit by the window?
Yes, that would be great.
Here's your menu. Would you like something to drink while you decide?
Just some water for now, please.
Have you decided, sir?
Yes, I'll have the grilled salmon with vegetables.
Excellent choice. Would you like soup or salad to start?
A salad, please.
Very well. And would you like any dessert later?
Maybe later. I'll see how I feel.
How was everything, sir?
Delicious, thank you. The fish was perfect.
I'm glad you liked it. Would you like some dessert now?
Yes, please. I'll have a slice of cheesecake and a cup of tea.
Of course. One moment. Here's your bill, sir.
Thank you. Can I pay by card?
Certainly. Thank you, sir. Have a lovely evening.
You too. Good night.
Useful restaurant phrases. Is there a table available? Can I pay by card? How was everything, sir? These will help you sound confident when eating out abroad.
Hi, could you tell me if there's a gym in the hotel?
Yes, sir. It's on the second floor. Open from 6 in the morning until 10 at night.
Great. And do you offer laundry service?
Yes, we do. If you leave your clothes before noon. You'll get them back the same evening.
Perfect. I'll do that tomorrow. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
These questions are common when staying at a hotel. Is there a gym? Do you offer laundry service? What time does it open? Easy and useful for any traveler.
Good morning. I'd like to check out, please. Room 405.
Of course, Mr. Jackson. Did you enjoy your stay?
Yes, it was wonderful. Everyone was very kind.
I'm glad to hear that. That's £68 in total. Will you pay by card?
Yes, please.
Thank you. Here's your receipt. Would you like us to call a taxi?
Yes, please. My flight is in about 2 hours.
No problem. The taxi will be here in 5 minutes. Would you like a bottle of water for the trip?
That would be great, thanks.
You're very welcome, sir. We hope to see you again soon.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Mr. Jackson. Have a safe flight.
And that's how to handle everything in a hotel. From booking a room to checking out like a pro. Remember, always be polite. Use simple, clear sentences. And smile. It makes every conversation easier.